Hi everybody, Smoking Bears here. Today's Cast Iron Wednesday. Just so happens we're a couple days away from Valentine's Day, and because I'm a sucker, I picked up these little Valentine's Day cast iron skillets. Brownie and cookie mix. Let's give them a whirl. Cheers, everybody. Alright, so let's open these up and see what we got. Two tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of water. Add our mix. This is the cooked chocolate chip cookie mix. And I'm looking, and can you guys count how many chocolate chips there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. So just mix this up. We'll turn it here. So mix it up pretty well. Oh, there is more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 whole chocolate chips. All right, so they baked 15 minutes. They've rested and cooled for roughly 5. They smell pretty good. They look a little gritty, kind of like the Easy Bake Oven stuff. Yeah. Kind of tastes like the Easy Bake Oven stuff. It's real gritty. It's fudgy though. See if I can get a piece out of here. Same thing. You're basically paying for the skillet. So if you see, no sticking. Let's see how well they do. No stick. Alright guys, that was these little heart pans. They're kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. A few bucks well spent, I think. I'll use them to get out of trouble. You know, make some nice little sweetheart pancakes and eggs or something like that. You know, try to get out of trouble. I kind of fast forwarded. Here's a little cookie bag I made for the wife for when she gets home today. It looks like a 3-year-old did it, but it's me. Cheers. Have a great week, everybody.